Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday and another week of bakbakan na naman. Charot. Parang kailan lang. So anyway guys, since it's Monday, naka-uniform tayo today. So katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So samahan niyo ako na pumunta na sa work. So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work, and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual. And for your information guys, I always do some encoding kasi nga, every time na may sales, yun yung ginagawa ko. I always encode all the sales. So, yun yung talaga naging daily routine ko. And aside from that guys, since on travel yung delivery team, wala naman masyadong ganap today aside from encoding all the sales and reporting. So, yun yung magiging agenda ko for today. So, in short guys, hindi tayo busy today, charot. So, anyway guys, try lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, yan guys. So, working. And after work na pala guys, we decided na kumain ulit dun sa KKB Wings. And kasama ko yung partner ko. Kasi nga ilang days din kaming hindi nagkita kasi sobrang sama ng pakiramdam niya. And yan, nagpa-check up na din siya sa San Camilo's Hospital. So, it's been 3 to 5 days na hindi kami nagkita kasi nga sobrang sama ng pakiramdam niya. And sobrang nagwo-worry talaga ako kasi may times talaga guys na nahihirapan siyang huminga. So, sobrang nakakaba din minsan. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din muna yung work ko. So, yan guys, patapos na din ako sa work ko. And after work, uuwi lang din muna kami saglit and magbibihis. After that, diretso na din kami sa KKB kasi sobrang nakakamiss din kumain doon. And sobrang nakakamiss yung lasa ng wings talaga, especially yung spicy buffalo. Yun talaga yung favorite naming dalawa. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din muna yung work ko. So, yan guys, papunta na kami sa KKB Wings and as what you have noticed guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng view ng moon. Kaso nga lang, hindi maganda yung camera ng phone ko. So, yun, sayang. Anyway guys, andito na kami sa KKB Wings and as what you have noticed, hindi pa naman masyadong marami yung tao and dito nga pala guys, sa right side is closed na and hindi na kaya mag-accommodate ng mga customers. So, obviously, dito lang kami sa side ng open. So, as what you have noticed, saktong-sakto kasi malapit na din dumating yung order namin and here we go guys, nandito na yung order namin and as what you have noticed, sobrang nakakatakam talaga and meron nga pala kaming extra rice kasi for sure kulang din sa amin yung isa, charot. So anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and kakain lang din muna kami. Stay tuned guys! So, yan guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!